Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's FanMoreMan here. This is my little 2003 SMC 36-inch ceiling fan model H36UL. This is a little kids room fan. Which the light kit does work on this fan, but the light bulb just burned out that I put in there when I turned it on. It does work just fine though. It actually makes the fan look very complete when the light's on. It looks better with the light on, personally, I think. It's a very good run fan. It has a really nice motor noise to it. Kind of a nice whine. Unfortunately, it also hums a lot because it's kind of worn out. It's been used a lot. I got this fan some time ago. I got it with my Lasco House Beautiful. Got it the same day I got that fan. Actually, at the same time, too. I bought them both together. So, this thing's a pretty good fan. It moves good air. I'll give it that. I like it. It seems to be pretty good quality, too. It's definitely better than my Litex Vortex version of this thing. It moves way more air than it did. And it looks cooler, too. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy.